Before we dive in, two quick things to mention. First, this is a new channel, still in its baby stage, so a like and a subscribe go a long way, so I thank you in advance for being kind. Second, if you end up liking this amazing canopy that I'm about to show you, please consider using my affiliate link. It will cost you nothing extra, but it will help support the channel and keep the content coming. Let's go. I want to tell you about this AirTopper by Flated. It's a canopy, they call it AirTopper. It looks gorgeous, it's very sexy. I actually got one guy at the traffic light who asked me to roll down the window. He's like, what is it? Where did you get it? What is it? And then he actually followed me to the parking lot at Staples and stopped by to take the details. It looked great. So what is it? It's an inflatable canopy. Now, if you're familiar with the Zodiac type boats, I think it's kind of similar. It's very sturdy. Like, I can jump on it. It's like very strong. People put tents here, like extra loads are like tied down so you can put on top. You can have extra windows here. So for the summer, when it's really hot, I've removed it. So it's now all nice and breathable. But if it's raining and becoming colder, I can put extra windows here at the back. Why this AirTopper is a perfect canopy for us? When you tow an overland trailer, especially like Pause or Reboot, they are heavy. It's a full-size trailer. This hitch alone is 900 pounds. We drive half-ton truck. Yes, it's the best in its capacity with all the upgrades. My GCWR is 19,400. The payload is 1860, but it is myself, my wife, our dog. You know, stuff we keep inside, extra fuel, extra propane, extra this, extra that. Payload matters. So if we get a standard canopy, like a fiberglass aluminum, the weight goes anywhere between 150 to 200 pounds. It hurts. And what hurts even more is how much money you spend. It's like anywhere from 5 to 7 grand in Canadian dollars for those canopies. One evening I was chatting with AI and I was looking for advice on the canopies, and this is how I found this company. So recommended Flated, and actually it's a Canadian company. It helps with the payload. It almost weighs nothing. I could set it up myself. I carried it myself. I installed it myself, like in less than an hour. And I took it, like, you know, I took my time. So I'm really happy to share this find. This is not sponsored content. I bought this canopy, and for us, without truck, with this trailer, this is a perfect canopy. And if you are in a similar situation and you looking to save on payload and have something reliable and sturdy and practical, come on. I mean, look no further. And price-wise, it's like 1/3 of a regular standard canopy cost. So we saved money, we solved our payload problem. It looks great as a bonus. So this is why it's perfect for us. And I really hope it helps you. And maybe, again, some of you could be in a similar situation. So this could be the answer. I'll see you in the next one.